Good morning, children. Lovely to see you all again today. And of course, Monday today is the last Monday that we are in school in 2020. So we have to make the most of it. We have to make sure that we are smiling and we are happy and that we enjoy our last Monday of 2020 in school. And that links in really nicely with yesterday's gospel and with the third Sunday of Advent. Because did you know that on the third Sunday of Advent, we always think about being joyful and happy? And that's because we know that Christmas is coming and Jesus is coming into our world. So you will know, children, that purple is the colour of Advent in the liturgical year, but very specially on the third Sunday of Advent, it's a different colour. Now, I wonder if I share a screen with you, if you can tell me what colour that might be. Let me make sure that I share the right screen with you. It'll be this one here. What colour do you think it is? This is a picture of St. Jonathan in Mass yesterday. And you can see the purple hanging at the back of the church because it's Advent. And normally the priests would be wearing purple vestments, purple clothes as well. What colour is Father Jonathan wearing? You can see it's pink, that's right. And actually as well, you will have all lit your pink candle in your classrooms if you've got an Advent wreath, or certainly seen the pink candle burning in the Advent wreath at church. So yesterday was our third Sunday of Advent, the rejoicing, the joyful Sunday of Advent when we know that Jesus is coming. Now, in the Old Testament, there had been people saying, someone is coming and he is going to take away your sin and he is going to save you. And Isaiah was one of those prophets who said all of that. And then you will know, of course, that Jesus had a cousin called John the Baptist. And John the Baptist, his job was to prepare everybody for Jesus. He went round and his job was to tell everybody, someone is coming. Someone is coming who's greater than I. And he is going to baptize you, not with water like me, but with the Holy Spirit. And yesterday's gospel was all about people who were actually thinking that St. John the Baptist was Jesus. And he had to say, no, it's not me. It's not me at all. There's someone better. I am not even good enough to undo the sandal strap of the person that's coming. And he's here among you now. So that's what yesterday's gospel was all about. And children, there is a little video that I've asked your teachers to show you. It's a cartoon story of St. John the Baptist. And at the end of it, I wonder if you can leave a little note on my desk saying who John the Baptist's mum was, who his daddy was, and what John the Baptist's job was. And then I would like you to have a think about what you can do to have the same job as John the Baptist, telling people about Jesus. Just giving you one of the answers. Children, enjoy the video, and I am looking forward already to hearing the answers to my questions. Who was his mummy? Who was John the Baptist's daddy? What was his job? And what can you do to be just like John the Baptist? Have a lovely day, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Take care, children.